little birdie told me we're going to Nalendi tomorrow. It's currently 1 in the morning. I don't know why I'm not asleep. Because we're leaving the house at 8, meaning I have to get up very early to start getting ready. I'm just washing my face, brushing my teeth so I can wind down, go to bed. I'm not going to bed, I'm going to watch a movie and then probably fall asleep watching the movie, but I'll definitely see you guys in the morning. I'm going to brush my teeth and wash my face and shower. I'm getting ready. It's like 8:30, 8:40, 8:50. There was a problem with water, that's why we're so late. I know I said we're leaving at 8, but I was up by 7:30 just to sit here and wait for water. Anyways, I don't know whether or not I'm doing makeup because when we went to 7 Islands, I literally sweat all my makeup off. After that walk to one of the islands to take photos, my makeup just said. And there was nothing I could do about it, by the way. So I don't know. Makeup, no makeup. Turn the AC on so I feel like I can do my makeup. But you guys are probably coming from TikTok, so you know my makeup routine inside and out. So I'm just going to speed that up. Because, yeah.
Say what, say what, say what. Yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Say what, say what, say what. Girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling.
So let me finish up my lip combo. Just wanting this, then I'm going to do this on top. Now I'm going to do my lashes. Just going to put mascara because I'm taking a break from clusters because my lashes are non-existent. Okay, were non-existent because of clusters. So done with the makeup, guys. Anyways, I'll update you guys. Hey, I'll update you guys when something does happen, like if we start leaving. In the car, and I'm already sweating. This makeup is not going to last. Trust. I know this from experience. Anyways, Jabal is here. Baraka is there.
License and registration, please.
Baraka, say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, vlog? Quick brief. We are going to the dunes. We're gonna do some wholesome activity. Big. We have our cousin Lila, Liam, our auntie Rahema. We're chilling.
Yeah, the whole fam is here, guys. So guys, we just come from the cosmetic shop. I bought relaxer for my edges, and I also bought gel wax basically for my edges. Back in the car, we had breakfast, and now where we're going, I don't know, but I'll update you guys. We're here, guys. So we packed the car. There's so many people. I'm saying hi to the vlog. What are we here to do? What are we here to do? Tell the people. Tell the people. I don't know. Tell the people. Tell the people. Tell the people. Came to the wrong one, so we're going to the right one. Yeah. Now we've reached the right place. Yeah. Why are the parents already suited up, guys? This is what we're working with. Is this how you took the you and you got red? We're now putting them on our heads. Liam is starting. And then we're done. Subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Makeup is halfway melted off, but do we care? My son falling of Baraka.
High key, cancel him.
Please.
He hates women. He beats women.
Me,
He just
the
looks like
number one lover of women. My woman actually scared of evil eye.
Then he'll get broken up with.
Yeah, then they invented the Bugatti.
So guys, we've been here for about 2 hours, I think, and none of us have gone on the bikes. We're starting to get impatient, but my mom's on the horse. We're sweaty, we're tired, my camera is even tired, I'm not wiping it. I want to sleep, I want to shower, I want to go home. I want to go home. My sunburn is crazy. You guys can see how beat I am. Like, I've just come back from going 2 shawarmas and a chicken tikka. But I don't know if we're going anywhere tomorrow, but I'll definitely see you guys when something happens. Back in the washroom. I'm winding down for the night. Tomorrow we're going to the beach. I'll vlog that. We're also having a barbecue by the beach at SU. I also relaxed my edges, so that's what we're working with. TikTok video is up, I believe, so I'm using on my face as always. I don't use a lot. Currently one. I don't know why I always record these at one, but yeah, it's because I was feeling sleepy and I wanted to wash my face before I sleep, so I'm going to do that and obviously brush my teeth. I'll update you guys in the morning. That's how the edges are looking. There's a fit. We're about to leave. And to do my lip liner and then done. No way. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Unsubscribe and
Say subscribe. Subscribe.
Said something.
Say subscribe. Subscribe.
Please subscribe to my baby. Please.
Thank you. I need to go and tell the guys at the liquor store to get me Red Bull because I won't be drinking. Oh, my 4-pack has been secured. Now I can go back to the car. Still intact. Now I don't regret relaxing them as much because what do you mean I still have edges? And it's like 30 degrees outside.
Drunk brain suck, sober thoughts, yeah. And is it me that you want, me that you want? Guess me that you want tonight. 'Cause I think we talk more than
Guys, I'm going to go in the pool with my phone. I'm going to put it in here and I'm going to get in and I'm going to feel sorted. And that's a plan. Pop, pop. Okay.
Don't talk too much to me. 'Cause this is how this goes. I know it. Take one drink to and everything feels right. And if it ain't right, it's alright tonight. I got some Asia, thing. You know.
At the beach, guys. Ooh.
Nobody's calling you. You just said that's all. Leave the room. Like you always do. I never needed you. I just.
Yeah. Okay, love you guys. Don't forget to smile.